In this video, we will learn how to fix PES 2019 error api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll is missing from Windows. So
Solve
let's
this
begin.
DLL error. It is really simple. Just go in the description and I would paste this link in the description. And here what you need to do is just go and download the DLL files. We need to download the 32-bit DLL file as well as 64-bit DLL file and make sure the version of both the files is same. So you can see I have this 32-bit DLL file and I have got the same version of the 64-bit DLL file. So I would download these one. So first I would download this 32-bit. For that I would just go and download it like this one. So it would take a bit of a time. So here we are. Start the download, close it and go back. Now we would download the 64-bit DLL file as well of the same version. So download this one as well. So here we are. Meanwhile, you need to check what kind of system you have. Is it 32-bit or is it 64-bit? For that, just go and open your File Explorer. Go to this PC, right click it, and here click on Properties. And in Properties, again the system type, you can see what kind of system you have. So in my case, I have 64-bit. But don't worry, in this video, we will solve the problem for 32-bit as well as 64-bit. So now go to your downloads. There you would find the files. So first what we need to do is we need to extract these files. So this is 32-bit, this is 64-bit, so I would extract these files. First I would extract this one, extract it like this one. Now extract the 64-bit file, extract them. So here we are. Now first we will solve the problem for 32-bit operating system. For 32-bit, go to your 32-bit folder and copy the 32-bit DLL file. Now go to your local disk C and here go to Windows. Scroll down below and search for system32. So here we have system32, open it and paste the 32-bit DLL file here. Paste it here like this one. And here we are. Click on continue. If it asks to replace, just go and replace it. Go back. Now we have solved the problem for 32-bit operating system. Now we will solve the problem for 64-bit operating system. For 64-bit operating system, go and first copy the 32-bit DLL file. The instructions might seem confusing, so I would paste all those in the description as well. So for 64-bit, first go to your 32-bit DLL folder and copy the 32-bit DLL file. Copy it, go back, and here search for syswow64. So here we have syswow64 folder, open it and paste the 32-bit DLL file here. Click on continue, go back. Now go to your downloads and here go to 64-bit folder and copy the 64-bit DLL file from here. Go to your Windows folder in C and paste this 64-bit in system32 folder. Paste it here and replace it if it's needed and click on continue. So now we have solved the problem for 64-bit operating systems as well. So hope it has helped you in solving this DLL error on PES 2020 or 2019. So hope it has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.